Install LG ThinQ app from the App Store or Play Store. Then sign in to ThinQ app if you're an existing user or register if you're a new user.
Open the LG ThinQ app and click on Add Product. Choose the Manual Product Selection option, either by scanning the product's QR code or selecting ITROP manually. Now, click on Next. Select the specific product and its category. Select Front Load Washer. Turn on the Wi-Fi of the washing machine. To activate the Wi-Fi, press the dedicated Wi-Fi button as per the model of the washing machine for 3 seconds. Click on Complete Setup. Connect your mobile device to the LG washing machine network. For the password, if you're an iPhone user, the password will be last 4 characters of the LG washer network name. Suppose if the LG washer network name is ending with AB12, the password will be AB12AB12. Once the connection between your smartphone and the washing machine is established, the app will initiate the process to add the device and prompt you to connect to an active Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the app will take a moment to add the device. Upon successful addition, a confirmation will be displayed. With the successful setup, you can now take control of your LG washing machine using the LG ThinQ app. When you click on the washing machine in the LG ThinQ app, here's what you can do to access and control washing machine from the LG ThinQ app. First, you need to turn on the remote start. Press the dedicated remote start button as per the model of the washing machine for 3 seconds. Initiate the washing machine's power on-off function effortlessly from your smartphone with a single click. Please be aware that the power on feature is not available through the mobile app. Select from a variety of program modes to tailor your washing experience to specific requirements. Keep in mind that access to various adjustment settings is contingent upon the chosen program mode. Easily adjust the temperature within the rated capacity of the supported model. Customize rinse modes to suit your washing needs. Switch between different wash modes and select spin settings as desired. Note that wash mode settings can be modified only if the chosen program mode permits it. Explore additional settings such as pre-wash, turbo wash, medic rinse, and crease care, toggling them on or off based on your preferences. It's important to note that these features are exclusive to supported models and can only be utilized if the selected program mode allows their use. Once all your desired settings are configured, simply press the Start button to commence the washing program. Useful features: Manage download cycle. LG ThinQ app allows you to download and add different program modes. You can set one program at a time by using the download cycle feature. Manage favorites. Add your favorite programs on the top. The program modes list by clicking on the Add icon before the respective program. Once added, you'll find the favorite program on the program list. Tub Clean Coach. The Tub Clean Coach is amazing feature remind to clean the tub after finishing every 30 cycles. Energy monitoring. It helps to know the electricity consumption by the washing machine. Cycle used shows the history of cycles used previously. Smart Diagnosis helps to diagnose if there is any error in the washing machine in just a single click.